Avianrich is an online shopping e-commerce company through the most secure payment system, which includes the PayPal and cryptocurrency. Welcome back guys to another episode of Expert Studio. In this video, we are going to tell you about the news of airdrop distribution of Avianrich, and also we are going to tell you something very great key features of Avianrich, the whole project. So before moving on, kindly do me a favor and subscribe our channel Expert Studio, and also press the bell icon so you are not going to miss any of the major update regarding crypto. Basically, what is Avianrich? Every shopping is rewarded with Avianrich token. Whenever you are going to buy anything from the Avianrich platform, you are going to get Avianrich token, AVN. At this time, Avianrich handpick rich basically products that are already making statements at the helm of fashion and lifestyle world. Avianrich platform is created to be the first one-stop online shopping platform where all kinds of goods and services are available from any part of the world. So that is basically the Avianrich platform. If you want to buy anything, you can buy each and everything from any country. You can buy it, and whenever you are going to buy anything from this platform Avianrich, you are going to be rewarded with Avianrich token, AVN. But now I am going to tell you a great news first of all about the listing. Right now this coin Avianrich token is basically listed on the Abbott exchange at this time. So you can easily trade this coin directly on the Abbott exchange in basically USDT pair. Here you can see each and every announcement. It is basically I think 1 month ago. So here you can see each and everything. AVN is available in the trading pair of USDT. So you can easily trade the AVN token directly on the Abbott exchange. And right now, basically if you are going to trade AVN on Abbott exchange with 50% promo, because more exchanges are coming, so definitely the price will increase very soon. So at this time, it is your chance to trade this token directly on the Abbott exchange. Now here you can see it is very easy. First of all, you have to sign up on the abbott.com, and then here you can see on the markets all the pairs are available, and especially the AVN. Okay, here you can see it by yourself. AVN pair is available, so you can basically trade the AVN token directly on the Abbott exchange in USDT pair. Now the major thing which I want to tell you regarding the airdrop distribution. Here comes the entire article on the Medium, and here you can see each and everything. We know that you are tired of waiting for such a long time for the airdrop distribution. We will still take the chance to say thank you for all your patience and the support that you are giving us. We are happy to announce that we have now begun verifying all the participants. Due to lots of requests from our airdrop campaign participants and supporters who have joined the airdrop, we discovered that many of them submitted wrong details in the airdrop port, such as wrong ERC20 wallet address, and others are having issues with their Telegram and Twitter accounts. Right now, basically they are verifying each and everything here. Okay, basically you can see each and everything on the Twitter, and even you can read all the things on their Telegram. So don't worry, very soon we'll be able to collect basically our coins. Basically on 18th of June they are going to distribute the airdrop tokens to all the participants. So here comes all the news, and right now basically you have the chance to trade this token directly on the Abbott exchange in USDT pair, because I am telling you the inside story. Very soon this token will be available on multiple exchanges, but at that time the price will entirely high. So at this time grab this opportunity, because at this time the price is entirely low, so you can easily buy this token directly from the abbott.com exchange. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share this video with some of your friends. Thanks a lot.